What's that, love?
Careful, you don't trip up.
Fucking at it again. So it might be very, very hard for you to hear me on this video, but I need to tell you what I've just come to see. So we decided to go into the Amazon of India, and we are going around in a tuk-tuk for the day for 600 rupees. But this is what we have come to see. I know, we're just being charged 10 rupees for this camera, and then when they saw SJ's bulging purse it went to 50 rupees. So it's not even a fucking camera, it's a GoPro.
I should have just kept it in my backpack.
Yep, so right, we've now got...
Ricky, don't trip.
Fuck me, don't trip.
I know, but you don't look.
So now we've got an half a mile walk to the waterfall, and then another half a mile down to the bottom of the waterfall. So I'm not going to film it.
We've got some water.
We've got a shot of water in the bag.
A shot?
Yeah, because SJ doesn't want to go to the toilet, so what we'll do is...
I should have brought my shiwi.
We'll see you soon.
No, you'll have to see.
See, I'm trying to get into bins. Hello, mate. So, this is Monkey Steve reaching his long arms into the bin.
That's so funny.
You alright, mate? Can you get in?
They're not stupid, are they? They know where the food is.
Yeah, look at him, he's trying to tip bin up.
Go on, mate. Get in there. Oh, look. You see his little arm like dangling down, look.
It's nuts, absolutely nuts.
Aww. He's not giving up, is he?
He's just seen something once.
Why can't they just feed it instead of putting it down there? Feed him.
Because there's wrappers, there's no food there, it's wrappers.
But it says biodegradable.
So we're about halfway down, love.
Yep.
How are you feeling? Glad you put flip-flops on? Yeah?
It's not that bad.
I'm an actual flip-flop wearer, and it is bad, so I don't know how SJ's feeling.
I'm fine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's a nice even road though, you know. Reminds me of the time when me and Craig walked Ben Nevis. One of the worst roads I've ever walked in my life.
Selfie?
Selfie?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm on video. Say hi.
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 Hi. Hi.
You getting in, love?
No.
Come on. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Selfie. So yeah, we'll see you at the bottom. Woo! So Facebookers, are you ready? I've been to see some waterfalls in my time, but if I can get under this one, I'm gonna be so happy. So here goes, the last leg. Woo-hoo-hoo. We're on the road to nowhere. Where do we go? Yes. Now that is worth seeing. Let's go down. Few more steps. Few more steps. And then can't get under the waterfall, it's a shame. Big shame. Look at that. Kicked a fucking brick, don't tell SJ. That hurts. Oh wow. The cold air, the cold water off that feels amazing. I just wish I could get closer so I could get more. I am wet through. So yeah, Facebookers, this is athirappally, start that again. Athirappally Falls, if you can hear me. If not, I'll put it on the description. Well worth a visit. So we're now back at the top of the waterfall and I am an absolute sweaty mess. That wasn't easy in 35 degree heat, but is it worth it? You tell me. I think so. Whew. I'm not allowed in the water because I'd be fucking diving. I would. If I've seen a puddle, I'm going to put my feet in. Oh man, this is glorious. It is. So we're just going now to stand at the top of the waterfall. We are. Any fish in this puddle? Yep, lots of them. The water's red hot. No point putting my feet in that. top. Let's change back ways. I need to take this top off quick because it's stuck to me. Oh. Hello Facebookers and YouTubers, hope you're okay, hope your day's going well. I see Tony Howley's just done a 50-mile walk, run sorry should I say. I've just done a 1-mile walk and I'm dead. Tony, my heart goes out to you mate, I don't know how you've done that. Congratulations, but wow. His own piece of beauty. You got the photos, love? Yeah. And that down there is where we're staying. Babe, you see where we're staying? Is that building that's been built?
Yeah, we're just opposite, we're just behind it.
Don't know if you'll
yeah,
see it on the video, but I'll try and get some photos for you to see.
When you're actually in the river outside our hotel, you can see the mist from this waterfall.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, see you soon everybody.